Hi, this is Noah from Screen Print Exchange. This is the second video for the Vevor automatic electric wire stripping machine. I added a foot switch and a toggle switch. The toggle switch is maintained. It's maintained on the up position, it's off in the middle position, and it's maintained on the bottom position. The bottom position is continuously on, so you can see it moving or you can hear it. Okay, and the middle is off, but this and the top, if I move it, toggle it up, it will go to a foot switch. And with the foot switch, I can start the wire. It makes it easier to start it properly, or if it goes off the rollers, I can go there. Maybe I should make a switch so you can go backwards a little bit and then forwards, but that's an option. And I could also do a switch to slow it or speed it up. Once again, I'll put a fuse in this to the motor on the positive. This switch that I'm using is a maintain in the up and maintain on the bottom. From the plug wire, I hooked up the neutral from the plug to the center position, and then I hooked up the continuously on neutral to this position, and then the foot switch to this position, all neutrals. And then I hooked up the wires, the other wires, to this switch. I have a an easy schematic that I will put on screenprintexchange.com, and you can see it, how I did it. I will put in description what type of switch to use. I will add a fuse to the motor to the on the power leads to the motor. I will add a small twist lock cord plug on here so I can easily take this off, because I like to move it around, and it makes it more portable. Look out for video 3. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.